a lot of your judges in the surrounding areas, they generally, I think, favor 50-50 equal shared parenting arrangements, even though the law doesn't necessarily say that. The law says that the court should maximize the time of both parents with the children, consistent with the best interest of the child. And so you would assume that maximize the time with both parents means 50-50. But depending on what judge you're in front of, they view maximizing it in different ways. Davidson County generally, they sort of standard, if you will, is Thursday to Monday every other weekend with an overnight and the off week during the school year, then split your holidays. And then during the summer, they're more likely to do a 50-50 week to week because it's during the summer. Their judges tend to feel that it's less disruptive to the children than, say, doing a 50-50 split where the kids are going back and forth constantly. So you've got to know what judge you're in front of and where your battles are. And so they will do a 50-50 parenting plan, but you've got to convince them. And some of the ways of doing that is if you've got two parties in Davidson County and you know that they want to do a 50-50 parenting plan, if they can work out an agreed temporary 50-50 parenting plan, submit it to the court, and then they operate under it for some time and can show to the court and testify to the court that, hey, it's working. Look how good the kids are doing. Then generally the judges will sign off on it because that's what they, their concern is, how's the child? Is what we're doing in the best interest of the child, and is it working for the child? So if you can show them and convince them with your actions and your testimony, they're going to be more likely to approve it. If you've got two people that want a 50-50 parenting plan, but they're in there in court every other week with a new argument, whether it's about the bills or the kids or social media or whatever's going on, well, then what the court sees from their end is, okay, we got two people here who can't communicate and can't get along and seem to be, obviously need to go their separate ways, but they lack the ability to communicate in such a way that a 50-50 parenting plan is going to work because they're not going to be able to communicate about it. And so they see that, they're less likely to approve it.